The PUCKIPUPPY electric bike for adults with a powerful 960W peak motor is designed for those seeking both adventure and practicality. With its robust build and impressive features, this electric mountain bike is an excellent choice for commuting, off-road trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride in the park. Right out of the box, the PUCKIPUPPY delivers a sturdy and reliable feel, thanks to its strong aluminum alloy frame. Weighing in at around 70 pounds, it may seem hefty, but this weight contributes to its stability and durability, especially when navigating rough terrains. The bike's 26-inch fat tires are a standout feature, offering excellent traction and control on various surfaces, whether sandy, rocky, or snowy. These tires absorb shocks effectively, providing a smooth ride even over bumpy paths. One of the most impressive aspects of the PUCKIPUPPY is its powerful 960W peak motor. This motor delivers quick acceleration and impressive torque, allowing riders to conquer steep hills with ease. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, it can effortlessly keep up with traffic, making it a viable alternative to traditional commuting methods. The bike also features a removable lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 48 V15Ah, allowing for a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. Whether you prefer pedaling or utilizing the electric assist, the battery life is sufficient for day-long adventures or commutes. Switching between the various riding modes is simple. The bike has 3 levels of pedal assist, offering flexibility based on your desired level of exertion. The throttle-only mode is an excellent option for those who want to enjoy the ride without pedaling, which could be ideal for leisurely rides or when fatigued. The intuitive display on the handlebar provides essential information, including speed, distance, battery life, and assist level, keeping you informed throughout your journey. The PUCKIPUPPY also excels in safety features. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, it offers reliable stopping power in various weather conditions, an essential consideration for those who plan to ride in rain or on slippery surfaces. Additionally, the integrated LED front lights and reflectors enhance visibility, making night rides safer and more enjoyable. The bike's sturdy design and robust components assure that it can handle the demands of both urban commuting and off-road excursions. Comfort is another high point of the PUCKIPUPPY. The adjustable saddle offers ample padding, ensuring a comfortable ride even on longer journeys. The ergonomic handlebars provide a natural grip, reducing strain on the wrists during extended use. Another notable feature is the bike's suspension system, which mitigates bumps from uneven terrain, enhancing overall comfort and rider experience. For tech-savvy riders, the PUCKIPUPPY electric bike is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to connect their smartphones to the bike. This feature provides access to various metrics and can even offer route planning, making your rides more enjoyable and efficient. The accompanying app is user-friendly and provides a wealth of data that can enhance your cycling experience. On the downside, the assembly of the PUCKIPUPPY electric bike may require some mechanical skill. While the bike comes with all the necessary tools, beginners might find it challenging to put together without additional help. Additionally, the weight of the bike can make it cumbersome for some users, especially if they need to transport it frequently. Another aspect worth considering is the price point. While the PUCKIPUPPY offers robust features and performance, it is positioned at the higher end of the market. However, for those who prioritize quality and durability in an electric bike, the investment is justified, especially with the performance it provides. In conclusion, the PUCKIPUPPY electric bike for adults with a 960W peak motor is an outstanding choice for those who seek a combination of power, versatility, and comfort. Its impressive motor capability, ample battery life, and robust build make it suitable for various riding scenarios. While it may have a few minor drawbacks,